Hey everybody, hope you're doing fantastic. Well, you've probably read the title. Today is not such a good day. I'm sad. Guys, this morning I went to feed my tarantulas and found Vlad had passed away. He didn't really give me any warning. He just was in a death curl on his back, and that was that. Yeah, I'm gonna miss him so much. I'm sad, but honestly, this spider lived such a fulfilling life. I mean, I got Vlad back in 2017 as a penultimate male Theraphosa stirmi, and he matured out, I think it was June of 2018, and was alive until now. So he almost lived 2 years as a mature male. And way to live up to the name. Vlad spent his mature male days traveling around Canada, mating with various individuals or other hobbyists, female Theraphosa stirmies, and he spread his seed. I mean, the guy literally has over 120 offspring all over the country. Some of you may even own one of Vlad's children. I kept back 12 for myself. I have many friends that have some of them. So what a fulfilling life. I mean, he traveled from Ontario to Montreal to Vancouver, then back to Ontario. He's been all over the place. He's been able to fulfill the purpose of being a mature male tarantula, which a lot of spiders don't get to do, but like, he did it tenfold. I think he mated with at least 5 or 6 females. So I'm happy for him. You know, I'm very happy, and I'm honored that I own this spider. I'm honored that he touched so many hearts of fellow hobbyists. The amount of people I have run into me and meet me, and they're like, man, Vlad is such an awesome spider. I love that guy. Like, so cool. I'm gonna go to Tarantula Canada and buy one of his babies. He really did affect a lot of people. I get comments on my videos where people say, oh, I'm so scared of spiders, but when I watch these videos with your spiders, like, I feel like I can do that, you know? It's not overwhelming, and I want to thank you for that, because it's helping me overcome my fear, or at least be able to watch the animals and learn about them. And Vlad was an integral part of that too. He was a really, really cool spider. So today we celebrate Vlad's life, and we give him proper Vlad the Impaler style burial in my backyard. Yes, there's a foot of snow outside. Yes, it's minus I don't know what degrees centigrade. I don't care. I'm digging a hole and Vlad's getting a burial. So guys, today I wanted to just let you know that Vlad did pass away, but he had a fulfilling life. And his legacy goes on in over 100 slings that are all over Canada, hitting 2nd and 3rd to 4th instar as we speak. So let's celebrate Vlad today. I just want to thank you all for watching and supporting. If you feel like it, you can take a moment to drop a comment down below. What was your favorite video with Vlad? What was your favorite Vlad moment? We can all kind of commemorate him together. It can be a nice little way to dedicate this video to him. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and here's a bit of a commemoration and celebration to his life, as well as the burial of one of my favorite spiders in the collection. Vlad the Impaler. Vlad is a ladies' man. Bye, buddy. Thank you for a few years of incredible 8-legged companionship. Enjoy spider heaven. See ya. Well, guys, we bid farewell to Vlad today. Looking forward to sharing the journey of life that is watching his offspring grow. Thanks everybody for watching. See you in another video again soon. Bye.